Say, Shabuzit, I'm sure you guys are aware of everything that's been going on, and I decided to tell my side of the story. First of all, I'd like to confirm that everything that my baby mama said about me was true. Earlier on this year, I went to a few podcasts, Mpumi Ledwaba's podcast, specifically being the first to kind of try and share that life I was living and the type of mistakes that I did, but also the type of hurt that I caused to a lot of people, including my baby mama. I left out certain details like my son's cancer because I had agreed with her that we wouldn't share that part with the public, and I thought I was honoring her and my son, but maybe it might have come off as me trying to defend myself. So with that being said, I wanted to confirm that as the truth. Might not be the whole truth, but I wanted to take accountability for my part and say that is the truth about the person that I was. It is something I'm not proud of, but it's an important part in my life because that's definitely part of me. It's part of my history, and that's something that I had to grow from, and it's something I had to forgive myself, for. Secondly, I'd like to say, gents, when you make bad decisions in your life, these are the consequences. This is what happens. Not only do you hurt people, but you also don't get to choose how they deal with the pain that you caused them. So I understand the mother of my child coming out and sharing it the way that she shared it, and I hope that it gives her a little peace, because it's not something that you can just grow from immediately. I also hope that this can be an example to more men to say, yo man, it's time to grow up, change, be accountable and be responsible. With that being said, I'd like to close off, with just saying, I'd like to apologize to the mother of my child. I'd like to apologize to her family. I'd like to apologize to my family and everybody I put in this mess. This is the mess that I've created. And through Jesus Christ, I've been able to forgive myself, rebuild, be accountable, and be a man of honor, be a man of integrity, and give myself a second chance. I still will be sharing more of my testimony as time goes. The truth shall set you free, and I just wanted to say I'm sorry, and hopefully you will find it in you to forgive me one day.
Hello guys, and welcome back to Reality Rewind. Please like and subscribe. I absolutely appreciate it. So this is Cassper's side of the story, of which he is basically confirming everything that his baby mama said about him. This is not an easy one, guys. So on the comment section, people, mostly women, are mad at him. They are so angry. You can actually see that these people are angry. On the comment section, some are saying that, oh please, we hope you apologize to her, because don't only apologize to us because you did not wrong us, but you wronged her. Some people are saying, please stop saying Jesus, 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 because as Lalila, kuning, guys, women are so angry at Cassper. But I noticed that almost all the men that are commenting on the comment section are saying that, oh, it's a good thing that you're taking accountability. You're such a man. You're so good because you're taking accountability and all that. Guys, this is, I don't know, please do let me know what you think. But anyways, from my side, I am just hoping that Ubex, who is the mother of his child, knows that him cheating, him doing all the bad things that he did to her, has absolutely nothing to do with her. Like, there is absolutely nothing wrong with her. He was the problem. He is the problem. Like, he's, she didn't do anything wrong. It's all on him. The fact that he cheated, the fact that he left his son in a hospital bed and went to cheat, it's all on him. It has everything to do with him. It has absolutely nothing to do with her. I hope she just knows that and moves on. It's not easy, Sham. Anyways, thank you so much guys for watching. Please do let me know what you think on the comment section. Bye.